Hello, the topic today is doing a part quote with PartsTech and Autodeals. And the preferred way of doing this, we're right now looking at a job, a service order here with Fred Flintstone. And we've got one job in here already, and we'd like to add, for instance, a brake pad set. And so if you look down here at the bottom, it says keyword for new quote and search. So we're going to do a keyword search for brake pad and choose search. And now it's pulled up our new job view, and it basically has matching parts, and it's got the taxonomy listing of all the different items with brake pad. So, and you notice it's also got a category, a subcategory, a part name, and it's also got a part ID. So you can search by any of these items and it will look up the most, the things that match the best. So let's look here. Let's go to this brake pad set right there. And now to get a quote, we're just going to click New Quote. And this will bring up the PartsTech search with that part ID that was in that part taxonomy and make it very easy to find what you want in a very high quality manner. And we're just waiting for PartsTech to complete doing the pull-up. And it's looked it up by disc brake pad set. It's used a part ID from that. And now we have options coming up from the different suppliers that are integrated with your account. And we can just choose this one right now. And like our typical quote system, it's going to use the service order number as the PO number, so you could put another one in there. You just click Submit Quote. And then it's going to take you back to the view where you had, which is basically the new quote page. And so let me just click on jobs here. And you can see now that this disc brake pad set has been quoted. We would still need to order it once you get the customer's approval, but that works perfectly. So you use the keyword for new quote to look up either part names or categories or even part numbers. And this same option is right here under new quote. And again, let me go back to jobs. This is the same option here when you go to add job. And you can add a job, or you can do a keyword search here. Let's just do brake pad again. And you can see that then it's going to bring up the taxonomy listing of everything that's available. So it's very, very easy. It's very simple, but it's also a very high quality search for parts. Thank you.